ARC Innovation's intelligent power drive system is a revolution in pedal-assisted cycling. The ARC system is designed to fit seamlessly onto a variety of high-end bicycle frames, including Moulton, Brompton and Chinelli, and every single component is designed and manufactured in the UK.
At the heart of all of our e-bikes is the E2 Pod intelligent drive system. The system delivers power to the front motor and allows cyclists to control the power in a number of ways to suit their needs and riding style.
The system is full of advanced software features, including hill detection and launch control.
It's very like cycling, except that it's as though someone's giving you a little gentle push from behind, and you go that much further with that much less effort, and it's a very exciting and fun feeling.
I love on my Moulton e-bike being able to get away from the traffic lights quick, so I love holding both the brakes down. When you let go, you get this great little shove forward, so it helps you off the lights, stay ahead of the traffic in that crucial moment when you're crossing a junction. It's really well thought through.
We have not come across anything which we feel performs with the smoothness and natural power of our bikes.
Riders can also control mode selection and power delivery to their bikes via the optional Bluetooth controller or the ARC iPhone app. Torque sensors accurately calculate how much assistance the rider should be given based on their effort, and brake switches allow riders to instantly cut power to the motor when the brakes are applied. The system comes with a Bosch 4 amp-hour battery, giving a range of up to 30 miles. A larger 6 amp-hour battery is also available, giving a range of up to 40 miles. These batteries are available virtually anywhere in the world and can be recharged in 30 to 45 minutes. A lightweight spare battery holder is also provided for those wishing to go further afield, which doubles the range of the ARC drive system. All ARC bikes are developed and tested for compliance to the latest legislation and directives and come with a 5-year warranty.
My ARC is created in the UK, so how nice to drive something invented, created, manufactured right here. The ARC e-bike is excellent because I can fit it into many aspects of my daily life, business, pleasure, commuting, travel. Fits in perfectly and gives me a lot of pleasure cycling around great places.
In my view, e-bikes have the potential to revolutionise cycling, both in the cities and suburbs, but also in rural areas, because they can get so many more people cycling and cycling longer distances.
If you'd like to find out more about the ARC e-bike range or arrange a test ride, get in touch with us today.